Before we proceed, please note that this video is made by AI, but all the content is manually researched by our team, and it's not AI generated. Here we are going to discuss the Neon error code 013. As per our research, this error mainly comes when users try to log into their account, and the error may come with the Neon app as well as their website. During our research, we were unable to find any official workarounds for this error. Even many users have shared that upon contacting the Neon support, all they advise is to try general workarounds such as restarting the system, installing the app, etc. Because currently there is no official information available on the error, all we can suggest you to try common workarounds. In case before coming to our article you already have tried general troubleshoots, such as restarting the system or reinstalling the app, then we will advise you to not to waste any more of your time and contact the Neon support team to report the problem. So what can we do about it? Well, the first step is to power off your device and your internet connection for about 5 to 10 minutes. Once you've done that, restart both your devices and see if the error persists. If the error persists, it's time to check if your Neon app needs an update. If you're using the Neon website, make sure your browser is up to date. What if the error is still there? Well, test other apps on your device to ensure your internet is functioning properly. If your internet is working fine, but the error code continues to haunt you, it's time to check if your device's firmware needs an update. An outdated OS, particularly on your TV, can lead to such problems, so make sure your device's OS is up to date. Finally, if none of the above steps have worked, try uninstalling and reinstalling the Neon app on your device. To do this, first uninstall the Neon app, then restart your device. Once your device has restarted, reinstall the Neon app. If after all these steps, you're still encountering the Neon error code 013, it may be time to reach out to the Neon support team and report the issue. In summary, to address the Neon error code 013, you should restart your device and internet connection. Check for updates on your Neon app or browser. Verify that your internet is working properly. Update your device's firmware if necessary. Uninstall and reinstall the Neon app. Contact Neon support if the error continues to persist. If you like this information, don't forget to subscribe. It will be a great support. And for more tech updates, visit queries.com.